How do we do fundamental analysis of a company? How do we pick a company based on fundamental analysis? Now, fundamental analysis is something we do all day. Whether you're watching a movie, whether you're listening a song, whether you are watching cricket. So, which song you listen to, which movies you watch to. You know that these actors, singers have entertained you well in the past. So, you're watching them today. When you go for shopping, which brands you prefer buying? The brands of which you feel that in the past you have got the good quality versus the cost they have charged you, right? So what are we seeing everywhere? Let's say we have to buy a phone. What do? We do some research, we check the prices there online, offline, and all the way. So in the same way, when you have to buy a company, decide about your investing, you decided based on its past. Let's say there are two students, one is average, one is a rank holder, and we have to judge them after 5 years. What will be their scores? So obviously you will say the average student would score average again, and the rank holder may not score rank 1 again, but will score rank 4, 5, or whatever. Exceptions are always there, but we judge the company same way on the basis of its past record. We see its past record, we see its future prospects, and also the present performance of the company. So in company, we have three statements to analyze this, which is profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. So we look at financial statements of the company, which represents the financial performance of the company. Now, what are these statements? Understanding these statements is very, very simple. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account will tell you that recently in last 1 year or in last few years, how much sales and how much profit the company has made. So this is telling you the present performance of the company. Balance sheet. Balance sheet will tell you the overall record. Overall, what this company has done till day. What is the total amount, total career made by this company till date. And then we have cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is about deeper analysis. So when we select some company, we do deeper analysis. How do we do deeper analysis? Let's say profit is arrived, profit is there in this company, but it has not come in the form of cash, or the company has lot of money but there are liquidity issues, or let's say the company has money but we don't know from where the money has come. So when you have to start a company, when you have to select a company, think as if you have to start a business. So if I tell you that one company, one property is 50 lakhs and another property is 60 lakhs, will you select, will you be able to decide which which plot is cheaper and which plot is costlier? No, you will ask me the question. You will ask me what is the area, what is the location. So same here in the case of selecting. So when you select a company, you will see, okay, depending upon the price of the company, what is the location? You will see in that plot, what is the location, what is the size of that plot. And accordingly, you will decide whether the price of that particular stock or whether whatever the price of that particular plot is costlier or not. So while deciding the company, we have to look at other factors, not at these factors that the price of one company is 5,000 rupees and another is 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 is costlier. No, we have to check other factors. We will learn about all these factors, P ratio, PEG ratio, and all that in other videos, and we will understand that whatever the company is available at whatever current market price, whether at that price the company is costlier or not. So while selecting, we must see what the competitors are doing in the market. ऐसा तो नहीं that the competitors are available, that the competitor stocks are available at much lesser prices. So like we select a business. In that business, we see that whether the business is ethical, are there any legal issues. Same with the company. selection. We will see whether there are certain issues in the management, what has been the past of the management. So whenever there is a news that CFO resigns, CFO joins in, we see there is a lot of havoc in the market relating to the prices of share of that company. So accordingly, that also matters. Now, even when we do any shopping, what we do cost benefit analysis. We check whether the cost we are paying is equivalent to how much to the benefit we are getting. Same we will do at the time of doing fundamental analysis of any stock. And lastly, valuation analysis. What is the valuation of the company? We'll check the intrinsic value of the company, and we'll check the prices. Are like when we do shopping, we check are we getting some better deals. So we'll check that whatever are the same kind of companies, which is the cheapest in all that, if all other factors are similar. So, on each point of how to select a company, we will make a detailed video. So, stay connected. Thank you.